friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bluey for beginners. So first we're going to get started over on the left hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval for that left eye. In the center now we're going to draw in another oval, just making that slightly smaller for the pupil of the eye. Let's come across now and draw in the nose. So leaving a tiny gap here, we're going to curve this line around and then down as we get towards the side. And now from here, we're going to continue to curve this around and then in towards the bottom on a diagonal. Let's come underneath our left eye, leaving a gap here, and we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now from here, we're going to connect this. So from the center, we're going to curve this line around and then back out towards the side. Now let's draw in the nose. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line around and then up and in towards the top. Now from here, we're going to draw in a sideways oval in the center for the highlight of the nose. Coming over on the right hand side now for the right eye, we're going to start in the middle, drawing in a nice big oval, curving this line around, and then back in on the side. And then in the center again, we're just going to curve this line around, and then down in the middle. Now let's draw in our eyebrows. So on the top right hand side, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line around and then in on the side. Let's move over on the left hand side now. So we're going to do the same thing, stepping over, we're going to curve this line around and across. And then on the top here, we're just going to again curve this line around and then back in on the bottom. Let's close off the rest of the mouth now. So coming up underneath our left eye, we're going to curve this line out and then arching that back in towards the bottom of the nose. And then again, one more time, just replicating that pattern out and then back in towards the bottom. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. So coming over past our left eyebrow, we're going to curve this line around. And then we're going to bring this over and down on the right hand side. For the side of the head now, on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. And now to the right of this, again, we're just going to curve this line down and then in on the side. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right, closing this off. Now for the pattern on the inside of the head, starting on the top, let's curve this line around and then down towards the top of our right eye. And then we're going to continue to extend this over on the right hand side, curving this line up. Let's move across to the left now, and we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top of the head. And then again, moving down on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and across. Lastly, let's draw in our ears. So starting on the right hand side, we're going to curve this diagonal line out towards the top right, arching that over. And then starting back on this line now, we're going to again curve this down on a diagonal in towards the top. Let's move over now, leaving a gap on the left hand side and replicate that. So we're going to bring this up on a diagonal, bringing that out and over. And then again on the left of this, starting on the top, we're going to bring this line down and over towards the side. On on the inside now, we're gonna step in, curving this line up, and then down on the right. And then moving over on the left, just replicating that shape, curving this up, and then back down. And that is it. That's how you draw Bluey for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.